Good afternoon, ma.
Custom.
Please, I want to buy tin lemon. Yes, ma. Tin lemon.
Okay.
Child, is God. Tin lemon, look at this there.
Oh my God.
What?
Look at that one. Blue one.
You never eyes they pay me and they waiting me. Yeah, I will soon beat someone's child. I will soon beat someone's child.
Think say they wise.
I don't need that wine. I don't need that wine. Yes, ma'am. No wine. No wine. That wine, okay.
What's it? I will come.
Oh, yeah.
Let me put this for lion, yeah?
Okay, ma. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, can we go outside?
So your money is now golden one, milk, omo.
What am I saying? I need wine, not golden more. What am I doing with golden more?
You be mumu. You think say they wise.
Should I disgrace
You
you?
are a
You
mumu.
ask me how?
No problem. Calm down. Thank you. Beautiful monkey.
Why you going to leave me
No,
alone?
come now.
What?
Should I shout?
What will I shout?
Should I shout?
I
I don't want to shout so.
I want problems always.
Over 2 months, I never say market. You manage compound, they steal all my market. You,
Madam, go on and shout. Let me gather, shout.
eh?
I'm not afraid of you.
Abi?
Yes.
You want?
Leave my bag now. I don't like this. I don't see you look at people with their mother, please.
Hey!
I'm a sick
Don't try me up!
Madam, please, I'm a single girl.
You are
I
single
don't want to
girl.
get married tomorrow. Stop disgracing me, please. I don't like this.
Then, don't spoil my market. Don't go where you just go. Over 2 months, I never sell even 500 naira. You come to that same God, thank you.
See, because
I
I
don't
don't
think like
like
better customer. I don't know say this girl na beautiful monkey.
because I just this is fake life. Don't mind my dress. It's a fake life. Stop it.
Na the same.
I don't like this.
You are still dragging my market on top of my shop. You stole my market.
Chop.
Jesus.
Because it's chop.
Chineke na. It's not
Your
shop.
mates are having a chop right there. They're calling it chop. I don't like chop.
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you, Excellency. Ngwa, anyam.
Oh my God.
Anyam.
What? I'm not getting your
My market.
Hey,
No more so. My market one. My market two. I will shout.
Aisha Galando too.
See Ajibo on top of my market. See na sabi Igbo.
No.
No, madam,
Focus
thanks.
on fake
No,
life.
madam, that. No, madam. Fake life for Mwa. Hey, better to keep. See, people are looking at us. They are not calm down, My partner go live here.
It's not yours.
My market.
Madam, send it. Leave this.
My market.
Shop your shop.
My market.
It's not yours. Please. Give
It's
my
not
bag.
mine.
You can't afford this kind of bag.
No wahala.
You can't afford it.
Thank you, ma. Beautiful monkey. Aya na.
You are here with your money. I'm not buying the person. Interested.
I think I want to get lost. I cannot accept. See,
You don't shop your bag. Come get away. You're not interested. Get out.
See, Anna. Hey. Now, I'm going to go to the behind Kano. Now, I'm going to here. You can ask me why. Why you don't even get 5 naira inside pockets? I'm not blaming you.